In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a white border to your photos in Lightroom Classic. This technique is perfect if you want to give your images a clean, polished look, making them stand out even more when you share them online or print them out. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, begin by selecting the photo you want to edit and open it in the Develop module. The Develop module is where all the magic happens in Lightroom, offering a wide range of tools to fine-tune and transform your images. Once your photo is open, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen, where you'll find various panels listing a variety of controls and effects to apply. Scroll down until you see the Effects panel. It's here that we'll be making the adjustments necessary to create your border. Inside the Effects panel, you'll find a section labeled Post-Crop Vignette. This tool is traditionally used to darken the edges of an image, but we'll use it creatively to add a crisp white border instead. Start by setting the amount slider to +100. This adjusts the vignette to be fully white rather than the usual darkening that occurs at a negative value. The next step is to fine-tune the appearance of your border. Set the roundness to around 80. This setting will help control the width of your border, making it broader and more pronounced. Essentially, the negative value stretches the vignette, so it forms more of a rectangle rather than a circular or oval shape around your image. To ensure that the border is sharp and defined, set the feather to 0. Feathering usually softens the edges of the vignette, but by setting it to 0, we are creating a hard edge, enhancing the appearance of a clear-cut border which frames your photo neatly. An important aspect to keep in mind during this process is your image cropping and composition. Since the vignette is applied from within the image's edges, any subsequent cropping will affect the size and appearance of your border. A smaller crop may lead to a thinner border, so make adjustments mindful of how it interacts with your overall composition. Once you're satisfied with how the white border frames your photo, proceed to export it as you usually would. Export settings can be crucial depending on your end goal, whether you're aiming for high-quality prints or optimized images for web use. So make sure those are set according to your needs. And there you have it. An easy and effective way to add a stylish white border to your images using Lightroom Classic. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to further experiment with the countless creative possibilities within Lightroom.